The Mercedes-Benz GLA is an SUV that is designed for comfort, luxury, and performance. It is packed with a range of technology and features to make every drive a pleasure. The exterior design of the GLA has been updated with the aggressive AMG styling, giving it an even more dynamic look while still maintaining the classic Mercedes-Benz styling. The updates also include a new grille, headlamps with integrated LED daylight strips, and new taillights. The interior of the GLA is even more luxurious than before with high-quality materials used throughout the cabin. It comes equipped with several tech features including Active Distance Assist Distronic cruise control, which helps drivers stay in lane by using radar data and adaptive speed control that adjusts automatically to changing traffic situations. The AMG Line package adds sporty touches throughout the cabin such as sport seats, flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and trim pieces finished in carbon fiber. Safety on the GLA has been improved as well through advancements such as active brake assist, which helps to prevent accidents by intelligently detecting when there is an imminent danger of collision and can apply brakes accordingly if necessary. Additionally, there are 9 airbags protecting all passengers in case of an accident. The engine lineup for the GLA includes both 4-cylinder petrol engines and diesel options for those who prefer economy over power. There are also 2 AMG variants available with up to 381 horsepower, making them quite powerful SUVs for those who want performance from their vehicle. All models come with 4 Matic permanent all-wheel drive and have impressive fuel efficiency ratings, making them great choices for long trips or daily commutes alike. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.